A conical vessel with base radius 5 cm and the height 24 cm is full of water. A conical vessel will be like this, and the radius of this base is the 5 cm, and the height is given in the question is 24 cm. And the question says this water is emptied into a cylindrical vessel of base radius 10 cm. It means the water which is in conical vessel has been transferred into the cylindrical vessel which the radius is given in the 10 centimeter. So, but we can find that we have to find the height of the water will rise in the cylindrical vessel. We need to find this height h. So the by transferring the water from vessel to the conical vessel to the cylindrical vessel, we know that the volume of the water will same in both of the vessels. So volume of water in the conical vessel formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the vol volume of the water in cylindrical vessel will be pi r square h. So when we put these two terms oppositely equal, after solving this term, this that 25 will cancel out and it becomes 4, and it got cancelled with that is 6, and it got cancelled with the 2. So we got h is equal to 2 centimeter.